Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, January 19th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and if you can, it really helps the channel if you would like, share, and subscribe. Helps quite a bit as we move forward through this annoying winter weather pattern. Now, this morning we have a warm front and area low pressure approaching the region, and that's leading to rainfall for most of the areas. Temperatures range in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Over the entire region except for the Hudson River Valley, the Poconos, and the Catskills. Right in this area is where I'm a bit concerned. We'll include northwestern Connecticut as well. For initially, we could be seeing a little bit of sleet and freezing rain for a short period of time, till about 10 a.m. before temperatures rise well above freezing. And what I'm keeping an eye on is the wet bulb temperature here, which would take your freezing line to right about here and here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this region just for some slick roadways this morning. But other than that, we're looking at periods of rain moving into the region. You're going to need your umbrella today throughout the area with temperatures already pretty much reaching our high temperatures for today. We're expecting high temperatures over the interior in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Lower to mid 40s along the coast, and we're pretty close to that. So what you see is essentially what you get with this area of low pressure that is approaching the region with the warm front down here and periods of rain moving in. And again, we'll be dealing with waves of these showers capable of heavy downpours at times. So you're going to need your umbrella. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see our storm lifting towards the Great Lakes. The strongest lifting associated with what we call warm air transport, lifting into the eastern Great Lakes and now the northern mid-Atlantic and heading towards New England. And that's what's going to be supporting our wet day for today. With this low pressure system tracking to the west, of course, there's not much in the way of cold air. But more storms are on the way, and a pattern change is starting to evolve, literally as we speak, that's going to introduce colder solutions, colder potential to our storms as we move forward over the next 7 to 10 days and beyond. So let's dive into this forecast for the next 7 days. For today, periods of rain are expected. Temperatures will rise into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Some of the rainfall will be heavy at times. Again, those of you in the Poconos, Catskills, extreme northwestern New Jersey, talking about Sussex County, extreme northern Sussex County, parts of the Hudson River Valley. Not a major ice event in any way, shape, or form, but you only need a trace to cause some problems. So just be aware of that until about 10 a.m. Then for this evening, periods of showers will continue. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s throughout the region. For tomorrow, the low pressure system will exit. Can't rule out a few flurries around the region, but other than that, look for scattered cloud cover with high temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, and mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control for the most part. We'll have a weak trough lingering around the coastal waters, so that could produce an isolated rain or snow shower, but other than that, scattered cloud cover is expected, with low temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. For those of you going to the Eagles versus Giants game, the playoff game, look for scattered cloud cover. No major weather impacts are expected, and winds will generally be from the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So again, no matter what happens with that game, you won't be able to blame the weather on it. That is for sure. On Sunday, look for increasing cloud cover as high pressure departs and area low pressure approaches. This storm is rather interesting. We want to keep an eye on the evolution of this storm. For right now, for most of Sunday, look for increasing cloud cover, rain and snow developing towards the evening. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. Now, the evolution of this low pressure system Sunday night and Monday will be very important. There is potential here for a little bit of wintry mix to start off for the I-95 corridor, but I think for the most part right now this looks like rain. If the structure of this storm ends up a little bit further south and east, then this would end up producing a colder solution. But right now, we don't have any data to support that setup evolving. But if you are to the north and west of the major cities Sunday night into Monday morning, especially, let's say, around the Poconos, the Catskills, northeastern Pennsylvania, portions of, let's say, Sussex County in New Jersey, and up towards northwestern Connecticut, well, this could end up being a pretty significant snowfall for you. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this and see how this evolves as the storm moves through Sunday night into Monday morning. Low temperatures on Monday morning as the storm is departing will range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior and lower to mid 30s along the coast, with the potential for some of that rain on the coastal plain to change over to snow for a short period of time before ending. Monday afternoon, look for sky cloud cover, windy conditions, winds from the northwest, and a few pesky snow showers rotating through. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, but that looks to be more towards the mid to late morning hours, and then temperatures fall through the 30s and 20s thereafter, thus supporting the colder, windier, and potential for some snow showers behind this storm and after this storm. On Tuesday, look for sky cloud cover, possibly a few snow showers with an Arctic front trying to approach the region. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Wednesday, another storm approaches. Sky cloud cover in the morning, increasing clouds in the afternoon, snow, sleet, and rain developing towards the evening hours. And again, this is another storm that there's a lot of questions in terms of the development of the storm and the storm track. So you're going to see a lot of different solutions over the next couple of days because of the interaction over the shortwaves. And you could tell there's a lot going on here because of the way that this low pressure system is being advertised on the model guides. See all this bagginess? See this feature here, this feature here, this feature here. What's happening is that you're having a lot of interaction between the polar and subtropical jet stream, and how that evolution takes place will tell you where the primary low pressure system sets up and where our rain snow line sets up. So some guidance you might have seen yesterday, certainly on social media, might have been much colder, much snowier. And then this morning, we're taking a look at this guidance and it's warmer. It's all based on the interaction of this low pressure system. So here's how we're looking at it right now. On Wednesday into Thursday morning, look for periods of snow, sleet, and freezing rain over the interior, snow and rain along the coast. We'll see what the transition is and whether or not we go to over all snow or if we stay on over as rain on the coast. We don't know yet. Temperatures will generally range from the upper teens to mid 20s over the northern interior and upper 20s to mid 30s along the coast for lows. And high temperatures, depending on the storm track, will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid 30s to lower 40s along the coast. Again, if the storm track is on the coastal plain, you end up on the warmer side of this. If it ends up over the coastal waters, then we're pretty much in the 30s all day with a wintry mix of everything on the coastal plain and a pretty good snowfall over the interior. So we'll have to keep an eye on this and see how that plays out. And then on Thursday, our low pressure system exits with chilly conditions and lingering snow showers throughout the area. Low temperatures on Thursday morning in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and high temperatures throughout the region won't be moving all that much, upper 20s to lower 30s, with the threat for a few pesky snow showers. And behind that, well, there are more storms on the way that we're going to keep an eye on. That is your forecast for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.